from outer space to your wrist. This is the Bangalore watch company Apogee Visitor, a timepiece that literally carries a fragment of the cosmos. Founded by Nirupesh Joshi and Mercy Amalraj, Bangalore Watch Company has redefined Indian watchmaking, combining storytelling, heritage, and engineering. Their Apogee collection pays tribute to India's space exploration legacy, and this latest edition, The Visitor, draws inspiration from one of astronomy's most mysterious events, the 2017 discovery of Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object to enter our solar system. At the heart of the Apogee Visitor lies a dial crafted from the Moyenolusta meteorite, a 4.5 billion-year-old rock older than Earth itself. Each dial is unique, showing the natural Widmanstätten patterns of iron meteorite, here finished in a matte black PVD coating for a stealthy cosmic look. The case is a 40mm helmet-shaped unibody design made from cerasteel, steel with a durable ceramic coating. Two crowns operate independently. One adjusts time, the other controls an internal rotating bezel to track a second time zone. Inside beats the reliable Celita SW200-1 automatic movement with a 38-hour power reserve. The luminous indices and hands glow bright with C3 superluminova, while the watch stays water-resistant up to 100 meters. Each piece is paired with a black leather strap with white stitching and quick-release pins for easy swaps. Built for daily wear with interstellar flair. Priced at around $2,500, the Apogee Visitor isn't just a watch. It's a piece of the universe, handcrafted in India.